Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Exercise Al Najah 5. India and Oman are conducting their joint military exercise Al Najah 5. The exercise is taking place from September 13 to September 26, 2024 in Oman's Rabkouth training area. Focus is on improving combat skills and interoperability between the Indian Army and the Royal Army of Oman. The event highlights the defense cooperation between the two nations. The exercise will conclude with a live fire demonstration. Key features of Al Najah 5. 60 Indian Army personnel, mainly from the Mechanized Infantry Regiment, are participating. Initial training included combat first aid, weapon handling, and counter-drone tactics. Both armies are collaborating on tactical maneuvers and modern warfare drills. The focus is on real-world combat scenarios like hostage rescue and supply replenishment in war zones. Cultural exchange activities are also part of the exercise, strengthening ties between the forces. About tactical and practical training part of the exercise. Training involved assault rifle, sniper, pistol, and LMG firing, emphasizing reflexes and close quarter battles. Engineers from both sides collaborated on field engineering projects. Practical drills include casualty evacuation, clearing urban areas, and tactical responses in combat zones. Case studies for real-time combat situations were exchanged to enhance learning. The joint efforts aim to increase preparedness for peacekeeping operations under the UN mandate. Now it's time for the practice question. Where is the Al Najah 5 exercise taking place? India, Oman, UAE, or Saudi Arabia? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.